joint forest management concept. Okay, what is joint forest management? JFM, a government decided that villagers and tribal community will protect their nearer forest which they use for the resources. Okay, and this concept was introduced in 90s 80s. Okay, 1980s, this concept was introduced by government that nearby villagers and tribals which live in near forests or in forest, and which they use where they use the resources of the forest for livelihood, will protect forest in turn of using that resources. Okay, in this chapter questions are around BOD and eutrophication and ozone. Okay, very few questions from this joint forest movement or Kyoto Protocol or Montreal Protocol, all that. Joint forest movement management introduced by Indian government in 1980s. Okay, villages and tribal communities are being involved in development and protection of deforestation or same.